start out with some salt and pepper. No. Add some brown sugar. Got some paprika. Add some smoked paprika. A touch of cayenne. A little bit of garlic. And coat the brisket liberally with the rub.
1001. 0110.
We cook this low and slow, probably about 4 hours, until there's an internal temperature of 150 degrees. We make an aluminum foil tent. Sprinkle the last of the rub and wrap it up. Now we're going to wait a couple hours until the internal temperature is about 203. So once again, play the waiting game.